Hi guys, if you really want to succeed in e-commerce business, you need to create a product niche for yourself. My name is Chijoke Stanley, and in this video, I'll put you through the step-by-step process on how to source for hot selling product on AliExpress. If this is your first time you're coming across this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notification button so you get future videos. One of my students chatted me yesterday and she was asking me, she want to know hot selling product. So I asked her what kind of product does she sell? What is her product niche? And she imports a lot of things, bags, shoes, so many products she mentioned for me. And then she told me that those products she bought, she had been having challenges in selling them. And I told her, no, you're doing it the wrong way. If you really want to succeed in e-commerce business, you need to create a product niche. She was not able to sell her products the way she wanted or the way she expected because she bought a lot of products, different kind of product to sell. I repeat again, if you want to succeed in e-commerce business, you need to create a product niche for yourself. There are so many of the niches out there of which you can venture into today and you start making tons of cash from them. We have the health niche, we have the fitness niche, we have the security, we have the accessories, gadget, and all that. So now on this site, this AliExpress site, I will be showing you the whole product and we'll leave a link to this AliExpress page on this video's description. So go down to the description of this video, you click on the link there, take you to this page. So I'll be grouping some of this product here on this page. I will group them according to their niches. So if you know which for you, you can easily sort them out. And at the end of the day, would conclude on the particular product niche that is more selling, that AliExpress is displaying more on their hot selling product. So at the end of the day, we'll get to discover that particular product niche you can also go out there for. So now this is the first one here. We have the fresh, this is the tooth cleaning, and this is under the health niche. We have the lipstick, the beauty niche. We have the blackhead remover, this also under the health. We have the fashion, the health, the gadgets, a wristwatch. Okay, we have the health niche lipstick. Also have lipsticks. This should be okay. Charcoal powder, teeth whitener. Is the eyebrow pen. Is under beauty. It's under the health, beauty and health. I think there are a lot of beauty and health products here. So let's continue to get to the end of this page. We have the waterproof lipstick. We have teeth whitener, lipstick, hair growth for those that want to go. It's okay. Okay, bags. Okay. Okay, we have these are what also lipsticks. Okay, let's go down so we get to the end of this wristwatch, end of this product page. So now we've come to the end of the page. As you can see from the product I'm seeing on this first page, on their hot selling product on AliExpress, these are the products people have been ordering most. Look at this wristwatch. It has been sold out for up to 12,374 of this particular wristwatch has been sold out. So now from this page, you will discover that most of the product that is being displayed by AliExpress here, most of the product, if I should group them, products, health products, and the beauty products are being featured the most on this product, this hot selling page on AliExpress. So I'll advise you out there who really want to start e-commerce business and start making something for yourself. I'll advise you to go for health products and beauty products. They are trending, they are hot selling products on AliExpress. People are ordering them the most. So I will advise you all to go for such products. And don't forget, if you want to succeed in e-commerce business, you really need to carve out a product niche for yourself. I believe this video is helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and then turn on your notification button for future updates, and then also leave a comment on this video and make sure you share to your friends out there who would need this information. Thank you very much, and see you in our next video. Take care.